like we're doing some very unique things, and there's not a lot of other people talking about AI from an airbrush standpoint. I don't know why, but I can speculate that there's some fear in terms of what the airbrush industry looks like in 2 years, 5 years. Um, so for me, I want to do my part to showcase that what I'm doing with AI, you don't have to be afraid of. This is really one of the best tools that we have as small businesses and entrepreneurs, and there's nothing to be afraid of. I speak to Midjourney specifically because I'm able to use it as an all-in-one tool. I've started this process where I was using a lot of Canva to make some of the edits and the additions. And now that I've learned how to prompt engineer, I've cut Canva out of the process all the way across the board. I'll just prompt what I want in there in the image, where I don't have to I don't have to go to a second program and spend another 20 minutes, half hour, whatever that looks like, on refining the process.